freaking awesome. Would have been a PB if I didn't get an F Perm, but can't be sad because that's almost the best on cam also. Not quite. Stupid F Perm. That's like my worst permutation, I believe. I gotta get a better elk. Or just not. I keep like doing that, but I want to get in the habit of doing that again, because that's what I did before and I got way faster. But I don't know why I'm doing that. Anyway, 9:35 point of view. Here is the setup. Yeah, really dumb. It's just a clear table. So I just do that, and then there's no difference with that than because it's barely under the table. Alright, thanks for watching.